In this quick video, I will show you how to install Google Tag Manager on Squarespace. First, you need a Google Tag Manager container. To do that, go to tagmanager.google.com, and if you have never worked with Google Tag Manager, you will be prompted to create a new account, a container. Otherwise, you might see an interface that looks something like this. In that case, you can click Create Account, and then set up the account and the container. So the account could be something like your business name. Then select your country. Then in the container name, you can enter your website's name, for example, or the URL. I will call this Squarespace Demo. Then select Web as a target platform and click Create. Then agree with terms of service and click Yes. After the container is created, you will get two codes. The second one is optional. You would need it very, very rarely. So I would recommend using just the first code because that's the essence of Google Tag Manager. So copy the first code. Then go to Website and Pages. Here, go to Custom Code and Code Injection. In the header, you should paste the Google Tag Manager container code that you copied from their interface, and then click Save. So now Google Tag Manager is installed.
By the way, I release Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager tutorials every week. If you want consistent flow of fresh knowledge and to stay up to date, then subscribe to this channel. It will help us a lot.
If you plan to install Google Analytics through Google Tag Manager, then that will be your next step. First, we need to check whether you have already installed Google Analytics by using the native Squarespace integration. Because if you do that, then first you need to disable that integration and then install Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. So first, let's go back to the settings, then developer tools, external API keys, and check if you have Google Analytics ID right here. If yes, then soon you will need to remove it. But for now, let's keep this. You can just copy the ID from here. And then let's go to Google Tag Manager, go to Tags, then click New, Tag Configuration, Google Analytics, Google Tag, and paste that ID. If you don't have the ID right here and you don't have Google Analytics property at all, then you need to go to analytics.google.com and you will be prompted to create an account. If you're not prompted, then go to the admin panel of any property that you see right here, click Create, click Account, and then complete all the steps until you create a property. Once you create a property in Google Analytics, then go to that properties admin, then in the admin section, go to data streams, click on the website data stream, and here you will find that very same measurement ID. So in my case, it's the same that I have right here or already in my Google Analytics tag inside Google Tag Manager. So once I create this tag, I can name this, let's say GA4 config, because this tag is responsible for the configuration, and I click Save. Now let's test if this is working. So I click Preview in Google Tag Manager. Then I need to enter the URL of my Squarespace website. I can do that by closing the settings. And then I can go to Home and copy my domain right here. Then I go here, paste it, add HTTPS, and then connect. So the preview mode has connected, but my website is protected with the password. So I will just enter that password. And as you can see, this is working. Then in the preview mode, I see that my Google tag has fired. And if I go to Google Analytics, and then I go to admin, and in the admin panel, I click debug view right here, I should start seeing some events. And if I click on one of them, I will see things like the page URL where I am browsing and some other additional information. So Google Analytics is installed properly. Google Tag Manager is installed as well. The final step is to go back to your website settings to remove Google Analytics integration there. So again, I will go to Settings, then Developer Tools, External API Keys, remove this, then Save. And at the same time, I go to Google Tag Manager, click Submit, and publish this container. So I can name this, let's say, installed GA4, and then publish. So what happens here is that now we have published Google Tag Manager to all website visitors. So Google Analytics is now activated from Google Tag Manager. And to avoid duplicates, we removed Google Tag Manager from the settings of Squarespace. And if we go to Google Analytics, then you go to Home, you should start seeing website visitors eventually appear right here. And after 24, maybe 48 hours, you will start seeing data in other reports. For example, if you go to reports and then acquisition, traffic acquisition, you should start seeing some traffic source data right here. And that is how you can install Google Tag Manager on Squarespace. If you found this video useful, hit the like button. That will help me understand what videos do you like and what should I create in the future. Also, if you want to learn more about Google Tag Manager or Google Analytics, then subscribe to this channel. My name is Julius, this is Analytics Mania, and I'll see you in the next video.